All right, hi guys. So I decided that I'm going to record a super quick video on how to create a social media icon on your YouTube channel art. It was really hard for me to find this on YouTube, so I just thought I would create one. So it's going to be super easy, straight to the point, and about 2 minutes long. Just make sure you follow my thumb or my clicker, and here we go. So you want to get started on a desktop. Click on your channel, click your channel, and you're just going to go to customize channel. So customize channel. Once that has loaded, you're going to go all the way to the top and click this little pencil that says edit links, then scroll all the way down to the bottom. So this right here is where your links are going to be. You can choose how many links you want to put in there. I only have 2. So here we go. And I'll delete my links that are already in there. So you want to have another browser open. I just opened mine to Google. Type in Instagram. And then from there, you are going to log into your Instagram. So my Instagram's already up, but you're going to search your name in here. And once you have searched your name, it's going to load, and you will basically just copy the link that is in the URL box. All right, so I have my link copied. I'm going back to my YouTube channel, and I am pasting that right inside of that link box. Now this is very important to delete the S. If you don't delete the S, the little picture of the Instagram will not show up. So I have my pictures there, and then when I go back up, there they are right there. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope this video was helpful. Bye.